How to enable DApp browser on Trust Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable DApp browser on Trust Wallet. To enable the DApp browser on Trust Wallet, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, open your Trust Wallet application on your device and make sure you are logged into your wallet account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to reach to this main interface. Here at the top left, you'll be able to see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and once onto the settings page, here you'll be able to see various options. In the setting menu, you will need to look for preferences option. You'll find it at the bottom. Once you find it, tap on it and inside here you'll be able to see the app browser option. Once you find it, tap on it to open it and here in this page you'll be able to see this enable option. At the right side, you'll be able to see the toggle button which is currently turned off. Now to simply enable it, you just simply have to tap on this toggle button to activate it. Once enabled, you'll be able to see the Discover or DApp browser option at the bottom of the main interface. And now you can explore and interact with various decentralized applications directly from the Trust Wallet. For that, simply tap on the Discover button at the bottom right and you'll be able to get this option. So by following the steps, you should be able to enable DApp browser on Trust Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.